Thus saith the Lord to his anointed, to Cyrus, whose right hand I hold, to subdue nations before him, and loose the loins of kings so bold, to open before him the two-leaved gates, and the gates shall not be shut. I will go before thee and make the crooked places straight as I cut. I will break in pieces the gates of brass and cut the bars of iron in sunder. I will give thee the treasures of darkness and hidden riches for thee to wonder, that thou mayest know that I, the Lord, which call thee by thy name, am the God of Israel, who brings the glory and the holy flame. I am the Lord, and there is none else. For the world to see, that they may know, from the rising of the sun and from the west, that I am the Lord, and there is none else. I am the very best. I form the light and create darkness, and create woe. I, the Lord, do all these things, so the whole wide world will know. Drop down, ye heavens from above, and let the skies pour righteousness. Let the earth open up and bring forth salvation and holiness. Woe unto him that striveth with his maker. Let the potsherd strive. Shall the clay say to him that fashioneth it, what makest thou alive? Thus saith the Lord, the Holy One of Israel, and his makers too. Ask me of things to come concerning my sons and what I shall do. I have made the earth and created man upon it with my breath. I even my hands had stretched out the heavens, defying death. I have raised him up in righteousness, and I will direct all his ways. He shall build my city and let go my captives in these holy days. I am the Lord, and there is none else. There is no God. There is one God beside me. I girded thee, though thou hast not known me, for the world to see, that they may know draw near together, yeah, that our escape. They have no knowledge that set up wood and prayed idol shade. Tell ye and bring near, yeah, let them take counsel as one. Who have declared this from ancient time and told what I have done. Look unto me and be ye saved, all the ends of the earth today. For I am God and there is none else to me. Every knee shall pray, surely shall one say, in the Lord have I righteousness and might. Even to him shall men come and find their glory in his holy light. I am the Lord and there is none else. There is no God. There is no God beside me. I girded thee, though thou hast not known me. For the world to see, that they may know from the rising of the sun, from the west, that I am the Lord and there is none. I am the very best. From the light in the darkness and create darkness.